So now we'll see the second concept, how to find the amount. So the first concept we saw how to find the simple interest. So just using PNR by 100 we found the simple interest. So this concept is to find the amount. So we'll see the working with a simple example. So here the question is, if a person receives an amount of rupees 4,400 from a bank after a period of 2 years at simple interest 5% per annum, then what is the sum deposited? So in this question, amount is given and the period 2 years is given and rate of interest 5% is given. So what is the sum deposited? That is the principal value is asked. So we'll see the working. So in this question we have the amount. So the amount is given as 4,400. A number of years is 2 and the rate percent is 5%. So and in simple interest, how to calculate the amount? So the amount is got by the principal plus simple interest. So in this the principal is needed. So we'll have this P again, P as such, and substitute for this simple interest. So what is the formula for simple interest? It is PNR by 100. And take this P common. So we have 1 plus NR by 100, which is equal to the amount. So in this equation, amount value is given and number of years is given, rate is given. So substituting in all this and we get the principal. So this is how we proceed using the formula. So but I'll tell you how to work out in a simple pattern with a simple logic instead of using all this. So whenever any question is given in this simple interest, so when you are talking about the sum, so you take that the sum deposited is 100 and from that you can find the exact answer. The rate is 5% and you assume that you are depositing 100 rupees. And if rate is 5%, I have already told you, rate is the amount which you get in addition for 100 for 1 year. So for 1 year you will get 5 rupees more. So it is deposited for 2 years. So what will be the interest for 100 for 2 years? So for 1 year if it is 5, for 2 years it will be 10 rupees. So for principal 100 with the rate of 5%, interest will be 10 rupees. So in this question amount is given. So what will be the amount when 100 is deposited at 5% for 2 years? So add the interest with principal, it is 110. So no need to work out all these calculations. No need to use this formula and work the complicated calculations. So for 100, amount you get is 110. So what will be the sum which gives you amount 4,400. So just by cross multiplying, because this varies directly, so just by cross multiplying you get the sum deposited. So here the sum is the principal. So now what is the sum of money deposited? So just by assuming that for 100 what is the interest and what is the amount, so easily we have got the answer. So no need to confuse or work out this, use this formula and make workings complicated. So just by using this 100 we have got the sum deposited as 4,000. And in the same pattern we will work out further examples also.